back to my channel. The video for today is gonna be about the face mask that I use for my face to get all those pimples away. Take them off. I'm really tired of having them. It's annoying. It hurts me. So the ingredients that you're gonna need for the face mask are aloe vera and baking soda. What I do with the aloe vera, I put, ew, you guys saw that? Ew, that's so nasty. It looks like boogers. Well, after that I put a little baking soda. And then I mix it because baking soda really helps your face. I don't know how, but it helps your face. It helps like your pimples. Put your hair up however you want, or you can use just something like to pull your hair back. You can wash your face before you do this, or if you don't want to, you don't have to. But I wash my face like just water, put water, and then I dry it. And you're gonna put some on your face, all over your face, like if it was lotion. Try to get it more where you have your pimples, because there's where you want it to work. My first time doing a video of this, so if I'm not doing it great, I'm sorry about that. You have to wait 15 minutes. Well, I wait 15 minutes sometimes when it's already dry, and if it's not completely dry, I wait till it dries. I hope you guys like this face mask, and right now I'll show you what I do after it's really dry and after I wash my face with water. You can use, like, if you use another thing for your face, like to wash your face, you can use that after this. So after this, you're gonna wash your face with not hot water or cold water. It can be like warm water, like hot and cold together. Yeah. When I finish everything, like when I take off the face mask and dry my face, I use this product called Pomada de la Campana. I don't know how to say it in English, so it really works for my face. It's like really good. It leaves your face like really smooth, and you can find it at any Mexican store, or I think you can find it in Walmart too. You just use a little bit, don't use too much, and then just put a little on the part where you have pimples. And now that you're done, you're ready to go to sleep. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you think about the face mask. If you liked it, if you didn't, or if you try it out, tell me if it worked for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.